Good day, exciting day. We're unboxing the Insta360 X6, the new camera. This is the Essential Bundle. And the Essential Bundle comes with a bit more, like the X5. It comes with the X6 camera, obviously, the extreme battery, which is installed, the invisible selfie stick, 114 centimeter, a lens cap, the fast charging case, Type-C cable, protective pouch, and the basics. Let's have a look and see what this baby looks like inside. There we go. Right, so that's the initial setup. Really nice. It looks like a slightly new finish on the stick. Looks really nice. It's got the tripod mount in there as well, and place for a little lanyard. I'm sure this is the camera. Wow, it's nice and tiny. Nice lens cover. It's just wishing to get included. Lens protecting plastics. Let's pull that off. And obviously the glass cover. So you can see there we've got the release mount for, this is for the charging port, push down. That's the charging port. It's a record button, power button, microphone there, microphone there. Here's just a piece of plastic to show the microphone here. Here's the front microphone. And this would be the battery, I'm assuming, is pushed down. Nice solid clips. And here's the battery. Nice chunk of a battery. That's the big boy. If you want to, there's your additional SD card that goes in there. Obviously it's got built-in I think it's 47 gigs as well, built-on memory, so you don't need to, it's just to, if you want to extend it. Yeah, it looks like a microphone here as well. Let's power it up. That feels really, really comfortable. Obviously, once you set it up, it's going to check to connect to your app straight away, and then you can activate your camera. I won't be doing that. I just see here some nice LEDs here, much brighter. That's front facing, and this side for you to see. The previous, I think the X5 was a little bit dim, so this gives you really good clear LEDs. It's got the tripod mount as well, and some connector points for some accessories that will be coming and that are already available. And then obviously the standard clip, similar to the other quick release mounts that they supply through Insta360. Wow, it really feels good. And then we've got, this is the charging case. Really nice and compact. Open it up. It's got an LED. This is the extreme battery, and your other battery will go in there. You can charge them at the same time. It's got a clipping system, and that's where your USB will plug in. How cool is this? It comes with a built-in cable, so if you've got plug it into your laptop or that's powered up, you can charge up your batteries via any Type-C port. Built-in cable, so you never without a cable. No excuses. Really cool. Inside here we'll have some paperwork, I'm assuming. Stickers. Got the standard, yeah, you've got some Insta360 stickers you can stick on your bikes or your motorcycles, your cars, whatever. And then here's a little pouch. Comes with a Type-C cable, standard C2C charging cable, data as well, a lens cloth, standard issue, and a really cool little pouch. Slide this baby in. Super snug. Wow, really tiny, easy to carry with you, and protects your camera at all times. Obviously, if you in the field, you'd always want to pop that on to protect your lenses. But just remember, these lenses can also be replaced. As to the X5, they will be a different lens because their lenses are slightly different, and you'll be able to replace them. It's actually a lot easier than the X5 was. Not that it was too difficult, but the X5 needed some force. This one is apparently much easier and quicker to do for anybody to replace your lenses if it does get damaged. And that's pretty much the Essential Bundle. Your selfie stick, your camera, your lens cover, and your battery case with extra battery. You're ready to shoot in clear 360 8K footage. Enjoy.